Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and on this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. We've got a question here from YouTube user Novek Atwad, who says, can you sue in both federal and state court simultaneously? Well, Novek, if you're suing for different things, the answer is absolutely yes. If you're suing using different laws but tied to the same subject matter, the answer is probably no. Theoretically, and I understand there's an argument to be made here, well, the standard in state court is different than the standard in federal court. And I want to have my state court claims, which are technically different from my federal court claims, in state court because I want access to that jury pool, but my federal claims might have to go forward in federal court. So I want these two separate actions. The reality, though, is that federal court's going to have generally the ability to hear the federal, state, and local law claims all in one action. So you're going to have to face motions for the convenience of the court or the convenience of the parties that the action should be combined if it deals with the same subject matter, the same events, right? Now, listen, if it's different events, all bets are off, and you can make a pretty solid argument that you want to have some, like, if you have like a retaliation claim that happened 6 months later, you could potentially bring that in state court if you wanted it, and separate from the federal action, right? Hypothetically. But if it deals with the same subject matter, the same series of events, generally speaking, the courts, of their own volition, or just the parties making motions, will generally combine that into one case, or force you to do that. And so to answer your question, if it deals with the same subject matter, probably not. Probably you can't sue for the same thing in federal and state court simultaneously. It's unlikely that you're allowed to get away with that, even though the laws are different and they're slightly different standards, so you can kind of make an argument, but no, you're not gonna be really getting two bites at the apple. They're gonna push the case together in most situations, which is different than if it's different subject matter, right? If you're suing for different things or completely different events, you're going to have a lot more success bringing that in two venues separately at the same time. I hope this helps, Novek. I wish you the best of luck and great success in your litigation endeavors. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below, share our channel so it can grow. Take care, everybody.